Hey guys, this is Justin with East Coast Supra, and today we're at Insomnia Motorsports here with our good friend Matt Meadows. And in front of us today we have the Varus Engineering A90 drag wing. Full carbon fiber. This wing is going to provide sufficient downforce needed when our race cars are getting up to high mile per hours on the drag strip. The quality and finish of this wing is absolutely gorgeous, beautiful. I'm really excited to get this wing installed, so let's get into the install. So to get started, you're going to take your supplied billet uprights and start off by attaching them to the wing. And we're just going to place them on here and just loosely fit them to start. Make sure you have the finished portion of the billet upright facing the outside of the wing. After installing the billet upright brackets, take the wing and just test fit it onto the A90 trunk. Make sure it's perfectly aligned on both sides. You see our bracket is still hand tight, and we're able to adjust it so that we have a perfect fit. And what you want to do is just take a marker, it can be a dry erase or a paint marker, just put a couple dots right where that bracket aligns. After marking our drill location for the brackets, we went ahead and put some tape on the corners and the center just to mark where the wing should line up to. After test fitting the wing and making our marks, we're going to go ahead and snug up the Allen bolts with a 4mm Allen key. We're going to start with a 1/4" drill bit just to get some pilot holes started. We already have our brackets marked on the trunk. So here we have our carbon, Sabin carbon trunk. But it's going to be the same procedure whether it's carbon or the standard aluminum. So we started with a 1/4" drill bit to get our pilot holes done, and we ended up at a 3/8 as our final diameter for a nut surface. We're going to use the supplied tool to bring the nutserts in tight against the deck lid. So you'll thread it up by hand, use a wrench, hold that in place, and a 5mm Allen. After the insert is tight, you go ahead and loosen up the tool and thread that right out. Next, we're going to use some isopropyl alcohol just to clean up the surfaces where we'll be attaching the 3M tape. It's going to go right on the inside of the lid, the back side. Next, we'll be applying the supplied 3M VHP tape to the surfaces of the wing to adhere to the top section of the trunk lid. Using the supplied 3M tape, create an outline on the outer edge of the wing. There's no reason to go too much with it. Right on the outer edge is good to create a watertight seal. You'll want to keep this edge free of any adhesives.
You gotta be careful.
So after attaching your 3M tape, take this back side of the lip and butt it up against the trunk lid, apply pressure to the tape, and then reapply your brackets. And if you made all the right moves, then everything should line up.
Bring it.
Alright guys, after you install the last 4 bolts on your bracket, your install is going to be complete. And as you can see, this thing is very sturdy. It's absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, very quality product. You can take it by the bracket, take it by the wing if you like. Personally, I'm going to be closing it like this, but it just goes to show you that this is a quality product Everything is flush, perfectly mounted, and we're very excited to get this on the drag strip. Our next video, we're going to be pulling the parachute, seeing how it interacts with the parachute. My guess is it's gonna act just as normal. The parachute will come out straight, everything will be good, and we'll get significantly increased downforce along with some better aerodynamics. So very excited for this product. Going to be released soon. Varus Engineering, East Coast Supra. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call, shoot us a message. We'll have these wings in stock and ready to ship. And Varus is working diligently to have them produced. So shout out to them. Shout out to Matt Meadows of Insomnia Motorsports, and we'll see you on the next one.